Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to budget. So in this video I'm going to use YNAB application, so this one, for budgeting. It's free for a month, and then you have to pay somewhere around $15 or $13, something like that. But it's pretty convenient app and everything that you can do with it. So basically you have like the budget screen. Basically here you see everything like your credit cards, other, if you have something on the other, you have vacations, credit card payments, bills you need to do to pay your needs and wants. Like you have all the different categories. And that's not all. If you go to the top right, you can always, on this pen icon, you can always create and edit new and current categories. So I can, for example, add a new one. If I click on the top left on this plus icon, as you can see now it's created. I click on done, and as you can see the test one is here. I don't have anything because I didn't add it, but you can add it by adding the plus icon, and then you can name that and also add how much this thing needs to cost or how much you need. And then you can put it to be like weekly, monthly, yearly, or you can even do custom things like weekly, next month I want to set aside a monthly, yearly, or you can just custom everything. Of course, if you go back, you can delete stuff, just press the minus. You can hide it or delete it. Then it's going to ask you to confirm, you just delete it again. So that's here. When it comes to the budgeting, you just want to make sure that you're following everything. Then you have accounts. You can add all of your accounts. You can remove your accounts. If I go to the top right on the plus icon, you can link your bank account and automatically import transactions, or it can be unlinked. You can give it any sort of name, what type of account type this is. So you have checking, savings, cash, credit line, and all these others. You just select it, add if there's any money in it. If it's not, you can just put 0, click on next. Then it's going to, it takes a few seconds to create the account, and as you can see now the account is created. Of course, as with everything, you can hide the account, delete the account, close an account. Like you can do a lot of different things. When it comes to any transactions, basically just click on the plus icon, and these are the things you paid for. So you have all of your categories here. So it's mortgage, gas, electricity, garbage, water, needs, wants, like whatever you need to do. You can always like split in between these two and then be like, oh, 80 here, 10 here, done, and it like splits them into two categories. So you don't have to, it just splits them. It's much convenient and easier. If you go to the transaction again, you inflow, here you can choose like where you want to add money, or if your salary came, you can add it. Like if you have, let's say bank is the account I create for my salary, you can just click on bank and then add money there. I mean, those are all of those basic features that you will need to start budgeting. It's just really important that you actually use the app daily, because if you use it daily, you won't forget to input anything or do something like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.